Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Aker, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 student. Dear student, our today's topic is true false. Let us see our today's topic at a glance. Our today's topic is true false, and we have already done this true false with our chapters. Today we will do all true false in our annual term exams altogether, and this is lecture number 10, and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 10 number SW. So dear student, let us start today's class. You can see here is a 10 true false, and our one number true false is we must take bath every day. If this statement will be true, then we will write here only T, and if this statement will be false, then we will write here only F. So one number is we must take bath every day. So this statement is true. We must take bath every day. Then we will write here only T. In your exam, you have to write only T. That means true. And two number is we should keep our room dirty. We should keep our room dirty. No, we should keep our room clean. So this statement is false. So we will write here only F. Number 3 here is day is bright. Yes, day is bright and night is dark. So this statement is true. Day is bright. So we will write here true T. And 4 number is there are 5 seasons in Bangladesh. Are there 5 seasons? No, there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. So this statement is false. So we will write here F. And 5 number is in winter season we feel cold. Yes, in winter season we feel cold. So this statement is true. So we will write here T again. And then 6 number, we wear raincoat in rainy season. We wear raincoat in rainy season. Yes, this statement is true also. We will write here T. And 7 number, we make pottery from plastic. No, this statement is false. We make pottery from clay. So we will write here F again. This is false. And 8 number, a tailor plants flowers. No, this statement is also false. We will write here F. And 9 number, an artist paints with brush. Yes, an artist paints with brush. That means this statement is true. Then we will write here T. And the last one, a carpenter makes chairs and tables from wood. A carpenter makes chairs and tables from wood. Yes, this statement is also true. Then we will write here true. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you some SW, but before giving this SW, I want to show you something. In our lecture number 8, I have shown you make birthday card, and some of student, and this was your assignment also, some student send some birthday card, and here is one card like it's a beautiful card from Hamidur Rahman. Look at this card, this is very nice card, and here is another card from Hamidur Rahman, and this card from, look at this, inside this card there is a beautiful designs inside it, and this is from Najia Islam Faiza, and this is another card Said Ali Hassan. Inside here is a beautiful design, and here is another card. This is also a birthday card from Nora Hawk, and look at this card, here is a card from Mustain Noor. This is a birthday card also, and this is from Mahiba Rashida Hassan. Look at this card, here is a design inside this nice card. Here is another card from Noreen Nizam Resha, and the last one, here is a beautiful card. Look at this, it's a beautiful card from Abu Tanvir. I have shown you this card because if you don't submit this card yet, please make birthday card for your assignment and submit it. And now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 10 number SW, and your SW will be, here is 10 SW. You can see your SW will be from 1 to 6 number. From 1 to 6 number, true false. This is true false. From 1 to 6, and it will be your SW. I am repeating your SW. This is 10 number SW, and your SW will be true false from 1 number to 6 number. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you can submit your SW on every Sunday from 8 AM to 4 PM. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.